Today we're going to be talking about Christmas pudding. Roll titles.
So to start, we have 8 ounces of suet, 4 ounces self-raising flour, a couple of ounces of almonds, 4 ounces chopped up breadcrumbs, 1 chopped up and peeled apple, some nice glacé cherries there, it's up to you how much, 4 eggs, 8 ounces of raisins, 1.5 pounds of currants and 8 ounces of sultanas. Onto the spices, so we've got some mixed spice, some nutmeg and cinnamon there, and the zest of a lemon and an orange. We have some brown sugar, 1 pound, and onto the booze, so we have 4 big spoonfuls of brandy, I always use a bit more, and about a 500 millilitre bottle of stout, that's Guinness.
Well, thank you for watching. I hope you have lots of fun making your own Christmas puddings, and don't be afraid to experiment, add in your own extra bits and see how you get on. But most importantly, try and find a great brandy butter recipe. I think it's the best thing to go with it. Thanks for watching.